Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare baby spinach leaves. First, carefully examine your spinach for any less than perfect leaves or visible dirt. It's important to start with fresh, clean greens. Discard any yellowed or slimy pieces. Then, gently pick out any larger stems or foreign objects you might find. This initial check ensures you're working with the best quality spinach for your meal. Next, we'll give our baby spinach a good wash. You can either rinse it under cool, running water for about 30 seconds, ensuring all surfaces are cleaned. Or, for more thorough wash, place the spinach in a large bowl filled with cold water. Gently swish the leaves around with your hands for about 1 minute. This helps to loosen and remove any stubborn dirt or grit that might be clinging to the delicate leaves. Once washed, drying your baby spinach properly is crucial for both taste and texture. The most efficient way is to use a salad spinner. Simply place the leaves inside and spin until dry, usually for about 30 seconds. If you don't have a spinner, lay the spinach on a clean kitchen towel or several layers of paper towels and gently pat them dry. Completely dry leaves prevent sogginess in your dishes. Finally, let's talk about storing your freshly prepared baby spinach. To keep it fresh for longer, place the completely dry leaves in an airtight container lined with a paper towel. This absorbs any residual moisture. Store it in the refrigerator, and it should stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days. Enjoy your clean, ready-to-use baby spinach in salads, stir-fries, or as a healthy addition to your morning smoothie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.